Most drivers look at a faded, water-spotted, bug-splattered car and immediately budget $2 grand for professional detail. They're wrong. A handful of these 17 moves can make that same car look freshly delivered in one afternoon for almost nothing. A few of them quietly lock in that brand new appearance for months, and the shops charging those big numbers would rather you never learned a single one. Here are 17 tricks that bring your car back to that showroom feel. Let's start with Number 17. Walk around to the side of your car and study the mirrors. Chances are the glass is covered in stubborn hard water spots left by sprinklers, dried rain, or the automatic car wash. Most people reach for glass cleaner and quit when nothing happens. A short, controlled amount of WD-40 on a clean microfiber cloth takes those spots off in under 30 seconds. The solvents in it break the mineral bond holding the spots to the glass. Spray the cloth, not the mirror, then wipe in firm circles. The spots transfer straight onto the fabric. Follow with a second cloth lightly dampened with water to clear any residue. The glass looks factory clear again. The same method works on side windows, the outside of the windshield. Hack number 16. A light wipe of WD-40 restores clarity and color depth to hazy or lightly oxidized taillight lenses in about 60 seconds each. Years of sun and weather leave a thin oxidized film on the plastic. That film dulls the red or amber and ages the whole rear of the car. Most owners never clean them. Spray a little WD-40 on a microfiber, work it across the lens in firm circles for a minute, and watch the oxidation lift onto the cloth. The lens underneath snaps back to deep, clear color. Wipe the residue off with a second cloth. The result lasts 4 to 6 weeks for longer protection. Hack number 15. WD-40 sprayed lightly onto rubber mats and buffed in brings back the deep factory black that years of cleaning have washed away. Rubber loses its natural plasticizers over time and turns dull and dusty. WD-40 replaces those oils. Pull the mats out, hose them off, towel them dry. Mist a light coat of WD-40 across the top, then buff with firm, even strokes. The black returns immediately. Wipe any excess so the surface feels treated, not sticky. The raised grip patterns pop again too. One can refreshes every mat in the vehicle many times. Hack number 14. WD-40 on the sidewalls, buffed properly, restores a deep matte black that commercial tire dressings almost never achieve. Sidewalls develop that chalky brown ring from road grime, UV, and sprinkler water. Most tire shines leave a wet, greasy look that serious judges hate. The right finish is clean, deep matte black that looks like fresh factory rubber. Spray a light coat on the sidewall, work it in with a microfiber using firm strokes, then buff off every bit of excess. The chalk disappears, lettering and raised details sharpen. Hack number 13. WD-40 dissolves baked-on bug splatter from the grill and lower bumper in under a minute with almost no scrubbing. Bugs are protein. Once highway heat cooks them onto the paint, regular soap barely touches them. The solvents in WD-40 break those protein bonds. Spray it on, let it sit 60 seconds or 3 minutes for the really old ones, then wipe with a microfiber. The residue lifts in one pass. Rinse the area with clean water and follow with paste wax so the next bugs don't stick as hard. Hack number 12. Baking soda mixed into a paste with water dissolves bird droppings and neutralizes the acid that would otherwise etch the clear coat. Bird droppings carry uric acid. Left alone, that acid starts eating the clear coat within hours. Soap only rinses the mess away, it doesn't kill the acid. Baking soda is mildly alkaline, so it neutralizes on contact while lifting the residue. Mix 2 tablespoons with warm water into a thick paste, spread it over the dropping, wait 3 to 5 minutes, rinse and dry with a microfiber. The acid is gone. The paint is safe. Finish with a coat of wax. Best results come when you catch it within the first day. Older droppings may already have etched. Hack number 11. A thin film of petroleum jelly applied after polishing seals chrome bumpers, wheels, and trim against new oxidation for 4 to 6 months. The point isn't to polish with the jelly. It's to create an invisible barrier that slows moisture, break dust, and air pollution from attacking the metal again. Polish the chrome first until it's bright. Then put a pea-sized amount of Vaseline on a clean microfiber, never straight on the chrome, and work it across the surface. Buff every last bit of excess with a second cloth so nothing feels oily. The chrome looks unchanged but now stays cleaner far longer. Reapply once a season. Hack number 10. Plain mayonnaise lifts water rings and white mineral marks from the dashboard without harming the vinyl or plastic underneath. Spilled water dries and leaves those permanent-looking rings. Regular interior cleaners just smear them. The oils, lecithin and mild acid in full-fat mayonnaise dissolve the minerals while conditioning the surface. Put a tablespoon on a microfiber, work it into the ring with firm circles, let it sit 5 minutes, then wipe with a damp cloth and buff dry. The ring disappears. Higher fat content is what makes the conditioning work. Hack number 9. WD-40 sprayed inside and outside chrome exhaust tips lifts carbon buildup and heat discoloration that polish alone can't touch. Carbon coats the inside over years. Heat turns the outside blue or brown. Regular chrome polish needs aggressive buffing that doesn't reach the inner surface well. WD-40 dissolves the carbon chemically. Spray it generously inside and out, wait 3 minutes, then twist a rag or old sock inside the tip. Hack number 8. A plain shower squeegee from the hardware store drags embedded pet hair out of carpet through static friction vacuums. Miss. Vacuums grab surface hair but leave the deep stuff locked in the fibers. The rubber blade creates just enough static to pull it free. Lightly mist the carpet with water, don't soak it, then drag the squeegee in firm strokes. Hair collects in a neat line along the blade. Pick it up and keep going. You'll pull out hair that's been there for months. Gentle pressure protects the fabric. A $5 squeegee lasts years. Hack number 7. Ordinary rubber dishwashing gloves pull pet hair from fabric seats using the same static principle. Put on a glove, dampen it lightly with water and rub firm strokes across the upholstery. Hair jumps onto the glove in clumps. Wipe the glove clean as needed and keep going. It works on cushions, backs, headrests, any fabric surface. The rubber grips hair stronger than the fabric does. For carpet, the squeegee reaches deeper. For curved seats, the glove conforms better. $3 gloves last dozens of cleanings. Fancy tools don't work any better. Hack number 6. Rain-X on a properly prepared exterior windshield creates a hydrophobic barrier that makes water sheet off above about 35 miles an hour and dramatically improves wet weather visibility. The difference between it working great and doing almost nothing is surface prep. Clean the glass thoroughly first with vinegar and water and a microfiber so nothing sits between the product and the glass. Apply a small amount of Rain-X to clean cloth and rub firm circles over every inch. Let it haze 5 to 10 minutes so it bonds, then buff the residue off with a dry microfiber. Hack number 5. Baby shampoo mixed with water makes a gentle, pH-balanced wash that is kinder to clear coat and existing protection than most store soaps. Many commercial soaps carry harsh detergents and dyes that slowly eat at sealants and clear coat. Baby shampoo is made for the most sensitive skin on the planet. Mix 1 ounce of plain baby shampoo per gallon of warm water. Never use adult shampoo or dish soap, both strip protection. Use the 2-bucket method, 1 for soapy water, 1 for rinsing the mitt between panels. Wash. Hack number 4. Cotton balls with a few drops of essential oil placed inside the HVAC vents release a light, natural fragrance every time the system runs. The airflow across the vents carries the scent through the cabin without the heavy synthetic punch of store air fresheners. Put 2 or 3 drops of lavender, eucalyptus, peppermint, or lemon on each of 3 or 4 cotton balls. Tuck one just inside each main dash vent. Hack number 3. A very light wipe of WD-40 on a microfiber restores oils and depth to smooth pigmented leather seats. This is only for smooth leather, never suede, alcantara, aniline, or perforated. The hydrocarbons in WD-40 act like the natural oils leather loses over time. Spray a tiny amount on the cloth, never directly on the seat, and wipe firm, even strokes, concentrating on high wear areas. Buff any excess so the leather feels treated, not oily. Hack number 2. A very light coat of WD-40 buffed across clean painted panels creates a temporary hydrophobic barrier that beads water and slows dirt buildup. This is not a real wax or sealant. It's a short-term extender that keeps a fresh detail looking good longer. After washing and drying, mist a tiny amount onto a microfiber and wipe long, even strokes. Buff completely dry with a second cloth so no oil remains. Water beads for 2 to 3 weeks. Dust doesn't stick as hard. Paint stays cleaner between washes. Hack number 1. The full Saturday routine using only household products and WD-40 delivers results that genuinely match a professional detail for under 3 hours and under $50 in supplies that last for dozens of sessions. Here's the exact order that works best. Start with the baby shampoo 2-bucket wash from Hack 5. Rinse and dry completely. Hit the wheels with white vinegar to cut brake dust. Treat the tire sidewalls with WD-40 for that deep matte black. Hack 14. Polish and seal chrome with the thin Vaseline barrier. Hack 11. Knock off bug splatter on the front bumper and grille with WD-40. Hack 13. Then rinse and dry. Restore the taillights with WD-40. Hack 16. Clear hard water spots from mirrors and glass with WD-40. Hack 17. Then finish glass with vinegar water. Apply Rain-X correctly to the windshield. Hack 6. Wipe a light WD-40 barrier across the paint. Hack 2 and buff to a soft gloss. Inside, condition leather seats with the light WD-40 wipe. Hack 3. Refresh rubber mats. Hack 15. Pull pet hair with the squeegee or rubber gloves. Hacks 8 and 7. Drop scented cotton balls in the vents. Hack 4. Lift any dashboard water rings with mayonnaise. Hack 10. First time through takes 2 to 3 hours. Once you know the sequence, 90 minutes to 2 hours is realistic. The finished car looks like it just left a $250 to $600 detail. Total ongoing supply cost stays under $50 for months of use. Over 10 years of ownership, the avoided detail bills add up to $4,500 to $11,500 per vehicle. If you want the complete manual packed with hundreds more of these moves, organized by product and by problem, the link is in the description. That's the kind of knowledge the detailing industry hopes you never put together on your own.